echim Kalaba, echim ebi makwa Igbo, nwunye m onye eke, nwunye m onye uwe ojii, echim makwa Igbo m na-abịa Olo. Merutele Imo State, say come back the main road, bata my village because the old road are the see my Shikweba, you won't do a rumor. About the member, about when I want to me, how if I have to go through, he lost the police in or Baha go. That day, my first day, he Gambo woman, I hope him those somebody who kidnappers.
So, how many police people can have bubble instantly?
Four. Up to today, I see they take care of those police people, their family. Four with family.
Police people, man, I'm not in a court. No where on your police here. No way anybody.
No, I wish. Here again in Nigeria, you know when we went to Nigeria, we have a lot of politics. If not, Nnamdi Kanu was hang.
That's what I demanded. And Hassan and the weekend. How would 4 policemen instantly?
Nihum koro takam no like this. No mamre na homo. Ndi akechi mu like this. Kurum kega na moto. Kega na moto. Bruma jeep. Happen the hills there. I just wanna with moto happen. Amazi ebe ọzọ m hụziri onwe m mgbe m nwetara ebe m hụziri onwe mgbe ana nye m na nzi na ntị m because ntị akụchiele m ihe ndị akụrụ m ntị ejule m mgbe m nọ na-anụ ụda egbe n'ime ọhịa tatatata m si ụta ka Chineke chiza m ekpere ụta ka m chi na-ekpe ekpere n'ime obi m na ihe awụkwa ndị polisi ihe awụkwa ndị amị ihe m nụziri anụmanụ kwa umere ha nna anụzi ụda egbe ahụ ya na-agafe sọsọ nne ota ekechiri maka not remove myself nye m nụziri hey don't move you're safe
ọ bụrụ ndị amị and by then nwunye ga send go the 13 million.
13 million they said they come yesterday now. I know there 2 days now.
Chineke mo.
I work n'ime ọhịa 2 days, all the second day.
So kebani hili ni moja onwe ndị anya
gịnị ka m bigo mmachi wụ na nsị na mmiri na agụm ha were mamịrị chim n'ọnụ.
Jesus.
Ururu machi wụ m chọrọ ịṅụ ihe a ofu onye bịa o were amị ya tim n'ọnụ si m gwa ka onye ga mmamịrị m gbukwa onwe m na mmiri.
So that means ewepụ ndị amị ha ke na akwagide ego gbuo oge.
Nwanne ọ bụrụ na wepụ ndị amị a na-achala m ego ihe a na-ejuzi ma execution. Ihe m na-echezi ma execution.
Ngwa ka abịa. Okay, mgbe ha gwa gị na ife eji anaghị ogo ịjụrụ ha kedu ihe ime?
Nne m ị nwere ọnụ ozugbo ị na-ajụla akpa m ụdị akantị German akantị na-akụ gị na ntị. Ihe ọbụla kwuru ọkpọ akụchiri m. Now this phone, I go follow you now. I go send you my picture. If not, I had internal.
So, man, why is it His Excellency Governor Hope Uzodimma make a statement like, because always statement to make him no political this thing, no IPOB. But these IPOB people who are doing this.
My brother, any other insurgency on the southeast or one day form ESN turn to IPOB. Amano Mahagadi Mohamano Mane video now Babushinama. The whole of my family non are UK here. Munyam police, Munyam Okunana police, they're supposed to be assistant commissioner of police.
And on board and system one, on a tina behisi, second or natapa. Apart from
Mpamunyemu, Name, Ndragadie, and Tina Kesomuna, the man, Eli and Antonio, River State, I don't forgo. I fly him straight from here to France, Yambra Air France, land Diana, Port Harcourt. I told him going up home na Abuja. I told him going up home na Lagos. I just flew from here. All transit. The ticket cost me a lot. I flew from here with my wife Namwa Gogunaka. We flew from here to Paris. From Paris, I transited to Port Harcourt.
So, Honorable, tell me, Mbebula na the camp. Ekechigana ka onwe
ekechiri owudi gị na ebu m gawa ime ọhịa ebu m mgbe ozugbo apụtara n'ime ụlọ nke ozugbo ha gbara m n'ime moto ahụ owudi na ekechiri ma ụmụ ihe ha yiri m n'iji eji ihe otu akụche m ihe dịka akpa asha nkwọ kọ just ihe dịka waterproof that you can suffocate ha chọrọ ịsọfọketi gị ha keche ikwu okwu too much ha keche that ị ga-enwezikwa air. So the best thing is just to keep quiet. You know, I take it, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir.
And how many of them they are Ija?
I'm thinking of that Ija, there are like about 6 or 7 of them, fully armed to the teeth. And up till now, I can identify that Yahoo. The only person here in military uniform.
Oh, Gentle, yes. Gentle, the Yahoo, and a whole lot of them. Okay, let me show you something. I want to show you something. Mego simugia ina. If I be sim mother, kahana kono Gentle.
During the period, every local government chairman on your this up.
Yes, Udog,
who PC. Yeah, the period now.
Okay, but honorable, tell me, Gentle the Yahoo said, I hope you said Yahoo. A man came from Bowman in video. Now, yes, now. Okay. Now, but there is no way Hope will instead
my
of
brother, as far as I'm concerned, Hope was the mass government never, ever like these people.
So there is no way Hope can negotiate with them.
There is no way. Hope was the mass government never like these idiots. Because during the time of Hope was the after Rogers, people patawara in most states, they teach you business, they pay things. A wasting security, junior also. Hope also the man never supported this miscreants.
Man, honorable, could it be because of the mineral resources in the Imo State?
My brother, what I am saying is that it's not only the mineral resources in Imo State, because even though it's because of the mineral resources in Imo State, you are not the owner of the mineral resources. The mineral resources belong to the federal government of Nigeria, and you cannot tap it without the consent of the federal government of Nigeria. So that peace na Igbo, it is just greedy human beings. Innocent baby run assembly, motor assembly. A lot of people business Igbo.
So could it be now they contracted and to destabilize our neighbor?
That is it. That is the only cocoa. And the people that are contracting him, so that the Igbo gari hapu eba hand of their bembe show budo. And that is why, no matter whatever anime in Lagos, now I could to Shulu Ndibo, now I could to Ndibo Nagazolo Nakana, and I could to Shulu, they are still going there because Anna Bayago Kuna Libo, they can't go. And here business, only in that game, and monopoly. It's just to monopolize that side and up this side because the people name a business this side, the other side, they can handle.
Because honorably, if I do this question, I suspected that Nnamdi Kanu, during the time of presidential election, Nnamdi Kanu potasi no election na Igbo, but Umunye na Nnamdi je negotiate with Sheyi Tinubu that no na Tinubu win or Bopta Nnamdi Anyamaro Umunye with Nnamdi still from back. Now, what people, I could no election, even not just you, even some women, Jeketa, Abarais in Imo State, Ababu. Some people, Jeketa, common matches or plastic, cups and things, Ababu, Imo State. Even in the Potaleban and make campaign, But these people Jenazu negotiate here with Sheikh Tinubu. All the same people put up. So I agree with you. Well, some set of people can make case on things and walk because if you watch, okay, Land is a terrorist, a convicted terrorist. How can somebody like Atiku, somebody like Showore,
Atiku gave him money.
Yeah, why are they giving them money and supporting him?
Atiku gave him money. Atiku gave him money. That guy is a politician. Atiku gave him money. Nigeria is not. Nigeria is just. Our country is just like. Don't be surprised. Nka ana visit here na prison now. How they make hotel she make Bobrisky? How many kids go say na 5-star hotels? No, na prison. Huh? Before you know it, yeah, with one fake passport, repo.
Okay. Now, Honorable, can you favor your advice to federal government concerning Nnamdi Kanu?
My advice to federal government of Nigeria, federal government, all how many Nnamdi Kanu di one because Nnamdi Kanu like I make sure no sense. Only how many yadika on power. Therefore, don't strike. Say, one day, my advice is let them bring him out and hang him. He's not supposed to be in live jail.